Thank you for joining this presentation of BizExcelerator. In this session, we'll be reviewing some of the extended reporting capabilities. My name is Irina Lewis, and I'll be guiding you through this demonstration. In this part of the presentation, we're going to take a look at BizExcelerator's support of statistical reporting and analysis. As you may be familiar from the other demonstrations, BizExcelerator reports are dynamically linked to your ERP data, allowing decision makers to modify the report to look at different years and different periods on the fly without having to request subsequent reports be created by the reporting specialist. The focus of this presentation, however, is on statistical reporting. If we focus on line 10 and look at the formula bar, you'll notice that we're using the function month-to-date net, meaning that we're pulling financial data. BizExcelerator also includes a number of statistical functions. If you store statistical values within your ERP system, BizExcelerator can access them and bring them into the same report for complex calculations. As we can see here, we're using a month-to-date net stat function, and we include several others as well. Once you create a statistical report which allows you to do these complex calculations, you can then take advantage of the standard BizExcelerator functionality to extend the analysis to additional periods, and if you're using the graphing capability inherent within Excel, you can update that as well, and BizExcelerator will update the numbers and refresh the tables. So as we can see, with BizExcelerator, you can create statistical reports in addition to financial reports. Moving on, let's discuss the consolidated reporting process. With BizExcelerator, you can consolidate across multiple companies in different databases with disparate chart of accounts and even different fiscal years. We can do this because BizExcelerator reads directly from the ERP system and brings the information into the report. If we focus on one of the cells that's linking to the ERP and look at the formula bar, we'll notice that we're utilizing a BizExcelerator function. This function, via the function window, is pulling based on directions, such as which company ID to pull. In this case, we're using cell referencing, B9. B9 happens to house the company name, and each subsequent column houses a new company name. BizExcelerator dynamically pulls the appropriate company information from the appropriate database and consolidates them. Next, let's discuss currency translation reporting. If you're taking advantage of the multi-currency modules or tables within your ERP system, you can create currency translation reports using BizExcelerator. Here we have an example of a report pulling US dollars into one column, our home currency, and doing two translated columns, Canadian dollars and British pounds. We're able to pull the appropriate information into the appropriate column based on our functions. Looking at the home currency column and focusing on the formula bar, you'll notice that we're using a month-to-date net function. In the case of the translated columns, we're using month-to-date net multi-currency. In conjunction with these functions, we are referencing the different exchange rate schedules that you establish within your ERP system. If you've set up more than one exchange rate schedule, we can reference that as well. And the decision maker can choose the appropriate one to apply to their report. In this case, British pounds aren't in Demo Spot 2, so we'll use Demo Spot 1. BizExcelerator will pull from the appropriate exchange rate schedule, perform the translation, and display the numbers accordingly. And finally, let's discuss dashboarding. More and more decision makers are asking for graphical insight into the position of a company at a glance. Utilizing BizExcelerator in conjunction with Excel, you can create just that. Microsoft spends billions of dollars on R&D each year to enhance its applications, and most recently included dashboarding capability within Excel. you can create BizExcelerator reports and hook them up to Excel dashboards in order to allow your decision makers to refresh them on the fly, simply by changing the period or year. BizExcelerator reports, which are dynamically linked to the ERP system, will enhance and refresh the dashboard immediately. What this does is give your decision makers graphical insight. So as you can see, you can use the inherent integration between BizExcelerator and Excel to create managerial and executive dashboards to offer graphical insight that can positively affect your organization. If you'd like to learn more about BizExcelerator, please visit our website. Call us toll-free or email us directly. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a great day.